Alright. Here we go. Game dev stream, I guess, but yeah, just finished, I just finished this pixel art with an animation here. It's very simple, but it's like a walking animation, but we're gonna put it into Unity to start off with, and yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my game, I guess. The game. Yeah. So let's close this. We don't need this. We need Unity. Unity. And there you go. Okay, so this is project I have. I can just play here. There's not really anything except for like 2D movement, you know. And yeah, so let's grab that file. 2D, where's my pixel art? Here it is. There's just some random other pixel art in here, so yeah, I don't want this in my scripts folder. Alright, so let's drag this into here. Okay, it looks like it... Does it not come in with the animation? Okay. I guess that's fine. We're just gonna put it right here. Yeah, let's just put it like there, and then we'll put it inside the player. See, let me delete some stuff here. You don't need this anymore. Don't need the other kind of character. We just need the script for it. And yeah. What's this trigger? Okay, we need just a collision now. So let's do a box collider 2D and edit it. Just make it a little bit bigger than the model, or not model. This is not a model. Alright. It's like in the starting position of the walking animation, but that's fine. It's fine for now, I guess. Is collision working? Yeah, collision still works. Alright. So, I'm gonna delete this thing, this red circle, and then we are going to get Trello open. Okay, I'm not logged in, so I'm gonna do this on my other monitor, not on there. Okay. I want to make a new board. I'll put my Trello screen on the actual stream in a second. Let's just name this that. Oh, here. Yeah, let me just... Yeah, I'm just gonna... create... other newborn. Okay. Why is this background here, bro? I don't want here, change background colors. This orange color. Okay. To do. Doing. Done. Other ideas. Alright, that's good. What's up, doggy pals? YouTube Studios of Goofy, because it says I have 0 concurrent. Alright. We should add to other ideas first. Alright, so, let's see, so, yeah, I haven't really said what the game's about. So, the idea for the game, I guess, is, see this. Say this wall right here, this black thing is like a rocket, I guess. Yeah, say that's like your rocket, you know. And just say I'm like in space or something right now, you know. And for example, there would be like 4 other things around here. Pretty much collect things and rebuild your rocket to get back to Earth because your rocket crashed on Mars or whatever other planet. So, yeah, that's kind of the game. And yeah, it's totally awesome. Totally. But, yeah. So, we need to make, well, other ideas. No, let's not do that. To do. Pick up parts, or let's name this. So I need to add a thing where you can pick up items. You know, you obviously need to be able to do that. And then let's say place items. Yep. And then pick up and place and drop items. Yeah, okay, 3 things. That's doable for now. So let's start with making pickupable items, I guess. So move my chat. Where should chat go? Right there's fine. Alright. Alright. So let me make a folder for, just call it art. And put the astronaut in there. Now let's go to scripts. Let's delete this other script I have because I don't need it right now. Because I'm gonna make a new one. Create C# script. We're gonna make this pick up items. Yeah, it's gonna stay single player, I'd say. I don't know how to make a multiplayer game. But yeah, so player, actually we need like something to pick up first. So So let's use circle, and we're gonna name this to pick up item. Alright, this circle is our testing pick-upable item. Yep, that's what this is. So we're gonna put it here. It needs a collider, so let's just add that. Let's make it trigger. Okay, let's add a tag. See, I've already made a tag. Okay. I already made the tag for this off stream, so yeah, here's that. So pick up items. Oops, it is not spelled right. Let me just rename this to items. There you go. The text is really small, so alright. Scripting, everyone's definitely favorite part of game dev. So let's just see, what do we need to do with our script here? So we need to check if the player is, well, colliding with the thingy first. So let's check for that in our script here. I'm not gonna full screen this right now. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. I need to capture my whole screen. Okay, I thought I wasn't capturing my whole screen for a second. We're good. We are. Let's full screen this and zoom in so it's easy to see for the stream. And yeah, so let's see. So we need this script will be attached to this. So let's add this here. Oops. We're gonna add a trigger to this. It's pretty big. See this, let's see. This yellow square right here is like, it moves with the player, you know? So like I move it over here. See, if this yellow square like touches this, then that means you're able to pick it up. But if it's like over here, then you won't be able to pick it up. So this is your like trigger zone here. So let's just make an on trigger. On trigger, enter 2D. I don't want it to be private. Alright, so let's just change this to other as well. So this thing, I'm pretty much gonna explain this this code as you guys watching don't yeah, I'm gonna explain this as everyone watching is a complete newbie. Yellow block is connected to pick up things, right? Yeah, it's pretty much like your radius. If something is in it, then you can interact with it. So if let me just add this and then explain it. That makes it way easier to write it than explain it. Other dot game object dot compare tag part. Okay, so this might look like alien language, but basically this up here is saying if something touches this object, which is the player, then it checks if what touched the player, if that object has a tag part on it, if that makes sense, I guess. So if, I'll just say it like this, if you come in range of a part, then it's gonna debug.log in range of part. Okay, so if you're in like a close range of the part or the circle that I put in, then it'll debug.log. And debug.log basically just like sends like a little message thingy in this little window down here, this long window. So yeah, let's add the script, and then let's see. So there it should say like in range of part. See, it does not. Yeah, uncheck trigger. Part. Okay, so there's obviously something wrong with this. P-A-R-T. P-A-R-T, yep, that's right. Game object, compare tag, debug.log. Oh, I forgot to save it, bro. Forgot to save it, like, come on, bro. There you go. You see down here, it prints out this little message down here whenever you like go in range of it. Yeah. Okay. So now instead of just doing this, because like you won't be able to see this in the actual game, because this is all like editor stuff, Unity stuff. So instead of just saying debug.log, we are going to add like a click E to interact thingy on your screen. That's what we'll do. Yeah, that's what we'll do. And you know what would be cool is we could do like, yeah, alright, I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna create UI text mesh pro. So we're gonna make it so whenever you hover over, like get close to this part, it pretty much like says something on the screen, like click blah 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 to interact or something. So we're gonna do that. I'm not sure the best way to do this text part. Should we put the canvas down here and then just put the text? Yeah, sure, we'll do that. We'll see if that works. I've never done that, but I've never done this before, but yeah. Text. Let's see. Jeez, bro. So zoomed out. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep it in here. Yeah, you have to do that, and then we're gonna make it world scale or world space. Event camera should be main camera here. Now we gotta get this text all the way down to here. Shouldn't be a problem, right? Yeah, this is not actually that bad. Just select it down here and scale it down a lot. Like a lot. Yep. So like whenever you get close to this, this will pop up. Press E to interact. And you know what? Let's go like this. Press E to interact. That's better. E. Yes. E. E. Now I'm also gonna do like a canvas panel, like a UI panel. Let's see. It's really big. Okay. Gotta zoom out here. Oh my god. So big. Zoom it all the way down here. See, it's like as big as the little testing area we have. It's really big. I kind of just want it to be like, ooh, that's actually kind of a cool. That's actually kind of a cool effect. I was gonna say just have it completely straight, like a square. What happens if you had quests to find parts? Do you mean like, for example, there's like someone else, and he's like, it's like an AI that you can interact with, and it's like, go find me 3 of these things, and I'll give you 1 part, or something like that. I think that's what you mean. Oh, I have an idea. Because the game is supposed to be like you're alone on the planet, so we could do like, see, I designed the character with this like little thing on it, whatever this thing is. I knew like I was gonna do something with it, have it be like a little device on your suit or whatever. I guess it could be like, it could like act as a radio or something, and other people could talk through it or something, like it could be like, go to this place and do something, and then get a part or whatever. We need to scale this down. Still too big, bruh. That's good. I like it. I like it like that. Let's make it black and more opacity. Yeah, I feel like that's good. I feel like that's good. Let's just make an empty and then just do pick up item text. There we go. So I'm not sure how good. Yeah, that's kind of blurry on the stream. Yeah, so when you come over here, it like that's gonna pop up, and then when you go out, like when you let me just this, so like when you go here, that's gonna pop up there, and then like when you go out, it's gonna like disappear. So yeah. I don't like how the text goes over. I guess it's fine. Yeah, it's fine because the panel part, background part kind of goes over. That's fine. All right. So now we're just gonna disable it so it's invisible. Then open this, open the script again. You're gonna make a variable. So we're just gonna do public game object. Let's do interact text. We'll call it that. Then start interact text, that's active false, and then here interact text dot set active, not send message, set active true. Yep, just like that. That's good. Yeah, that's good. And then we need to make it so on trigger exit. So on trigger exit, we want to set to false. And I don't think we need. We'll keep it. We'll keep it. Keep the rest of that code. Alright. See, we have an error. Null reference, easy error. Bro, what the doggy pals, what the? But so we get this right. Yes. Put that there. Alright, so this should work. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Get that. Press E to interact. My collision is not working on here. Yeah, let's go to player. That's the trigger. Yeah, I want the trigger. Let's make this bigger. Yep. Now if we go through it, yeah. Okay, we can like walk under it. So I'm just gonna add like trigger, like a collision. Yeah, a collision to the ball. We'll do a sphere. Is there no sphere collider 2D? Circle collider. Okay, that works. Yeah, now you can just go through it. That's good. Okay, now we need to make it so you can actually click E and it does something. So let's do that. My ears, bro. My headphones. Turn off headphones. Bruh. But yeah. What was I doing? What was I doing again? What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, make it work, obviously. That's what I was gonna do. So let's go here and then where should we do this? Let's check it right here. Let's put an if inside the if. If let's go. Like, is that how you do an if statement? Yeah, I know how to do an if statement, bro. If input dot get key down. Yeah, we'll use get key down, but we will not use key code. We will use just this. So I can explain this really easily, I guess. So this if right here says if input dot get key down E. Like basically anything I put between this curly bracket and this curly bracket will happen whenever you click E. So when you click E, we're just gonna debug log picked up item. Yeah, that's what we'll do for now, and then we'll actually make it pick up the item. Alright, so we go in, click E. Hold on. Okay, I think I know the problem here. Why it's not working. Game object has been destroyed. What on? It's giving me an error here. So it's saying the object of type game object has been destroyed. Oh, this? Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna change this from on trigger enter 2D to on trigger stay 2D. And see if that works. Should work. I've used that before, but in like 3D environment, you know. You can hear me spamming my key. It's not working. I saved that, right? they give me errors? They not give me errors. Let's do get key up instead of get key down. Maybe it's where we're checking for it. So let's change this back to on trigger enter, or no, let's do on trigger stay. On trigger stay. The difference between stay and enter, if it's enter, it only checks for the stuff, like the frame you enter it. And if it's stay, it checks for like every frame. So yeah, this should be here. Let's put it. Let's put it just like there. That didn't change anything, but yeah. So let's just go here. Oops, oops, how did I do that, bro? Alrighty. That's just that error. I don't care about that error right now. I just care about this not working right now. So we're gonna let's delete that. For now, we're gonna delete that if. We're just gonna put it right here. See if that changes it. See if that makes it work. No, that's still the same. Can I like? I'm just spamming E here. Yeah, that's what it is. You see, it's done it twice. It worked twice out of me clicking my key like 100 times, just going back and forth. That's because, well, first we can put this back in here. That's because even though it's on trigger stay, it's still only checking the frame that you go inside the trigger. So let me just Google this. You know, on trigger stay 2D working like on trigger enter 2D. Yeah, look at this. There's a forum on it, or like not a forum, community thingy. A rigid bunny with implemented. It's called almost everything. Let's see. So on trigger enter. On trigger stay. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. You see this? On trigger stay. Yup. This is. I don't know what this is doing, but yeah. Missing rigid body. Missing collider. Collider is marked is trigger for collision. Ooh, scriptures. Alright, we're still working on this. Alright, let's try. Let's try. Let's go back to Unity. Let's make sure all this is good, you know? Is this is a trigger, right? This has to be a trigger. Where is it? It's right here. The box collider is a trigger, and the circle collider is not a trigger. Okay. So maybe let's disable this. I don't know what that would do, but yeah. See if I can get it to go again. Ooh, let's find the spot. Yep, I got to go once. Alright, let's see here. Chrome. Yes, Chrome. I'm just gonna see, how to use. Yep, this. Right here. This random post on whatever this place is. May not fire every frame right now. I could do. I could do. Let's see. In case. Enter door. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put this on a different monitor here. This. Alright. Let's see. So, introduce a balloon. Should we do? We can try just doing like on trigger. Let's just do on trigger enter, and then let's just do get key and on trigger enter. Sure, bro. All right. Wait, that works, but you know what we can do? We can just get rid of this and do it the other way. That's what we'll do. Okay, I'm gonna delete that. Okay, so, yep, get rid of that. Get rid of this. this. So we're gonna make a few variables here. Public bool is holding item. Is holding item. Public bool can pick up item, and then yeah, is that all we need? Yeah, for now. For now, that's good. Oh yeah, one more. Public bool. Let's do pick up item. Just pick up item. So instead of going up to it and clicking E on it, instead of going up and clicking E, you just have to go up to it and it automatically like equips it, kind of. Like automatically and picks it up. So we're gonna do bool. We don't need to create one, we just need to set it actually. So pick up item equals true. And in update we'll say if pick up item and can pick up item are both true, then gonna debug.log picked up item. Yes. Pick up item true. Can pick up item true. And here we want to say is holding item true. So pretty much just set everything to true. Yeah. Alright. Let's just test this really quick. It doesn't seem to be working. It is working. Never mind, it is working. Brr. So let's let's put this back. And then what we're gonna do now is make it so when you like pick it up, it kinda, let's just make it, I have this idea of it just like floating above your head. So let's do that. Create empty. Hold position, we'll call it. Okay, let's put it right here. So when you move, it moves. Pretty simple. Alright. Let's go back to our script here. Let's make a public transform. This will be public transform. Let's do hold pause. Why did I put a space there? Alright, so on trigger enter, we want to set other dot game object dot transform dot position. Actually, no, we can't do it that way. Let's do it like this. Public game object item, and then in start we'll just make item equal to null. Then here item is equal to other.game object. And then here, instead of this, item dot transform dot position is equal to hold pause dot transform dot position. Is that good? That should be good. We'll just add I don't know. We'll add that later. Alright, let's do this. Hold on. I was just gonna say hold position. Where is the script? There it is. Nope, not that. What am I doing? Hold position. There we go. Alright. Yeah, dude. Bruh. Look at that. So we can like pick things up and they'll like go up there. So that's cool. Alright. Let's go. So now on our Trello board here, doing to done. And now, just to test it here, if we just duplicate this a few times, you know, let's just duplicate it once, actually. We can also pick up the other one. And then, oh, that's actually cool, yeah. We can also switch which one we are holding. You can see I am currently holding that one. And into this one, I'm now holding this one. Yes. Yeah, so that's cool. And then we got like particle effects and stuff, you know. But first, I think I'm gonna delete this because I don't need it. We're gonna zoom in on this guy. Actually, no, hold on. Let's just make a little thingy here. Let's put this guy here. And then shift space. And then let's just do this. I'm back. Alright. Let me get this text out of here. Let's just do that. And welcome back, doggy pals. I'll show you what we got. So now, I got rid of the thing where you have to click E, and you can just run up to this, and it goes above your head. You can pick it up. So, yeah, and like you can duplicate it. If there's like, for example, there's one up here. You know, you can pick this one up, and then if you run into the other one, it'll switch. It'll switch the one that you're holding. So yeah, that's cool. And we don't need that one. But yeah, so my next task is going to be, let's see, what's on the trigger board? Drop items and place items. Okay. And then I'm also going to add a code. Make rocket part sprite. And yeah. So let's make it so we can drop the item now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the player here. You know what? Let's do that. Let's just get rid of that. Let's just get rid of dropping items and just make it so you can place items and pick them up. Let's also add make rocket make rocket sprite, and yeah. So alright, so place items. Well, first of all, we actually need the rocket ship. So just create 2D object. Let's do hexagon flat top. I guess. Just rename this to rocket ship placeholder for now. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so that's gonna be that, and then the color will be, I'm making a blue color, why not? Nice blue. Add a box glider TD. Make it there, right? Now we're just gonna add what we need, so add, actually no, we aren't gonna do it like that. Yep, that's good. Let's add a tag, rocket. Then actually give it a tag. So we're gonna check. Let's see, let's go to the player. So we're gonna check when the player collides with the rocket ship, and if they're holding an item, then the item will disappear because it's like going into the rocket ship. So let's just Control C, Control V. If other dot game object dot compare tag is equal to rocket, then we're gonna need to delete this. We're gonna say let's do this. Let's do if holding is holding item. If or is holding item, and so if we're holding the item and we collide with the rocket, then it's gonna do. So if we collide with the rocket, while holding an item, then hold on, let me do item is not equal to null. Here we go. So let me just explain this here. So so if you collide, I'll say this. If you get in range of the rocket, then it's gonna check. The game is also gonna check if you're holding an item. That's what this does. So if you're holding an item and go to the rocket ship, then it's gonna do item equal to null. And then destroy item. Yeah. Okay, so it's just gonna destroy the item. I think you can tell what that does. You know? Then yeah, it's gonna set it to null. So let's test this. Grab it. Bring it over there. Yeah, look at that. It works. Let's go. And then I'm also gonna add something. I'm gonna add a public int num of parts. And then number of parts equals 0. And then here it's gonna say number of parts plus plus. So we can now, let's just select this. Yep, so pick it up, put it over here, and look at that. I kind of need to fix that, so is holding item false. Yeah, item false. Is holding item false. Pick up item false. Okay, and now we can test it. Alright, so to really test it, we're gonna duplicate this. Let's do it 3 times. Okay, so pick this up, put it in there, pick this up, put it in there, and pick this up, and put it in there. And yeah, that works. Definitely works. And look at that, we can go back to trail here. place items. I forgot to move it to doing, but place items is now done. We now need to make a rocket part sprite and then make the rocket sprite. So let's save this. File save. We're gonna close this for now, as well as this. We're gonna go to Pixel Studio, and here we go. Make a new. Let's make this rocket. Rocket part. Let's make it rocket part 1. Simple template. And now let's add to the Trello board. Make 3 rocket part sprites. No, let's do 5. Alright, so we're gonna make 5 different rocket part pixel art thingies. So the first one, I'm just gonna, for example here, you know, this obviously isn't gonna be it, but, you know, for example, maybe just like really simple piece of metal, you know? I feel like that could work. So let's do that. So we're gonna start with just a line here. So we're gonna go down, and then like this is supposed to look like a part from a rocket ship that crashed onto another planet. So yeah, that looks nice. Now let's color it in, and then we'll add some highlights. So we'll go like this, just along the top here. Just like that. And yeah, like just that, for me, is looks pretty good. You know, just add right there. Yeah, that looks like a piece of metal, I'd say, that just broke off of a ship. We could add like, could do like some lines coming off of it. Maybe they're like other pieces of metal or something. I don't know. But yeah, so 1 completed. We're going to save this to let's see. Save pixel art. Yes. Now we're gonna create new rocket part 2. Simple. Alright. So for this, we could do like, I don't know, something that looks like an engine or something. So for example, maybe something like that, you know? Like two cylinders, you know? Alright, so let's go like this. Just do something here. Alright. got that. Now let's like go up, down. You know, maybe just around here. And then go over. Let's erase right here. Put that back. Yeah, that kind of looks like something, I guess. I don't really know what makes a rocket shoot, but yeah. So let's get the paint bucket. Let's color this in. I'm feeling like a dark brown color, like a rusted color, whatever that looks like. Yeah, like this, maybe. Yeah, that looks good. And then we'll do like highlights, of course. Like that, and then, you know, of course we need to make it look like old and rustic. So let's put some just lines. You know, it's kind of supposed to look like a mess, I guess. Like this part, this middle part, let's add like lines, I guess, in the middle. And then we can do like, let's see, we can do some gray at the top. Yeah, okay, that looks good, kind of. You know, it's supposed to be a rocket part that fell off. So, yeah, let's save it and get to the next one. See, resize. Save. Okay, now let's create new. Rocket part 3. Simple template. Now let's do like a pipe or something like that. So, you know, pipe. Just a pipe. Let's make it like straighter, you know, add some like indentation into it, maybe, you know, like this, and on the side, like that, you know, that looks like a pipe, kind of looks like maybe like a log or something, maybe. But we're gonna make it this color. Then we're gonna add some details in this rusted color. Make like all the dents in it. This color. And then like right here and over here maybe. And then let's get this color for highlights, of course. Oops. Oops. Alright, that's good. We will go with that. Save. Yup. And then let's do create new. Rocket part 4. Simple template. Now for this one, we can do like a window maybe, or just like a side of the rocket with like a window in it maybe. Yeah, let's do that. So let's go like this. Alright, yep, that looks alright. Yep, like this, go like that. And then paint bucket tool, go like this, and then we can do like this whole thing lighter, and then we can add like kind of how the player is. Add like shadows, but in this color. Yeah, like that, and then we can add like stuff with this color. You know, fill it in, and then add something up here, you know. Go down, and then maybe add something down here as well. Alright, now highlights. Just go like this. Up here. And then like down here as well. Yeah, that looks good, alright. I'll save. Rocket part 4. Alright, we got one more to make. Create new. Rocket part 5. Now, let's make this one kind of quick, you know. Let's do like a circular piece of metal or something like that. Let's erase this little part and a bit up there. So we can add little imperfections in it, you know. Alright, there we go, and then you can just add like little bits of it. Like that, and then add stuff coming out of it. Like this. Then paint bucket. And then this color. Oops, didn't wanna do that. Just this. This is the wrong color. Yeah, this is the wrong color. This color. Yep, and then we'll add highlights up here. And yeah. So that looks good. Save. Size it. Part 5. Alright, there we go. Let's hop back into Unity. Actually, wait, hold on. Let's not close that. I forgot something in here. But let's open up Trello again. Make 5 rocket part sprites is now done. Move it to there. Now we are making the rocket sprite. Create new. Rocket ship. Alright, here we go. So, we're gonna have like engine thingy right here. And then, you know, whatever these things are called in a rocket ship. We're gonna have it all, I guess. And yeah, so let's do that. Let's can I change the size of this? No, I have to make a new one. Rocket ship. Make it 64 by 64 pixels. And let's go. So we're gonna go that. And then like this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's gonna be like the bottom part of the rocket, kind of. And we'll go 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Yep, we just gotta doing this, you know. So let's go. Just make sure that's good. Yep, symmetrical so far. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So far it's good. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Alright. Yep. Okay. Now we need to do this side. So 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1. Oops. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we got that part done. Nice. Okay, we're just gonna go up a lot. This. Alright. Let's just put that up one more. Then go up here on this side. Yep, let's just erase this bit. Actually, yeah, we gotta erase this. That much? Yeah, that's good. Then go up one, yep. Alright. It's just, you know what we can do? We can select all of this and just move it down. It's too big, that's fine. Just move the whole thing down. Alright. Now we can do this. So let's roof. Let's draw up here. Okay, that's good. We're just gonna 2, 3, 2, 3. Boom, 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 boom. You know what? Because I can't fit the whole thing, like the whole rocket ship, on this canvas, and I don't want to redo everything, I'm just gonna make the top broken off. You know? Yeah, just make the top broken off, and then it'll be fine. So yeah. Yeah. And then we can just add that bit. We can add just broken parts everywhere. I do want to add like a door in it. Yeah. Do something like that. And then make these all broken up down here. And just add some details to the door. Yep. There you go. And yeah, so now let's add some up here. And going down. Now let's get the color, or like the paint bucket. Let's color everything. And now we can go to the brush and just paint on like rusted stuff up here. This, and yeah, just do this on like the broken parts, I guess, you know? Maybe like down here also. Like this. Then like you do like, yeah, like up here. This area is definitely really broken up, so let's just add stuff there. And then let's go like this. This just round up here. I'll do that. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's add more highlights here as well. Yep. Then here. And here as well. Then we're done. Almost. We're almost done actually. Because I like brighten up these parts. And then let's get this like red color for here. Actually, let's not do that. Let's just get this color and maybe go like, let's just add some random numbers. 57 for no reason. There's just a 57 there for no reason. You know, that's fine. That's fine. So, and then this is like supposed to be a window up here, so let's just add, maybe I should just add some kind of shading to it. Just like this. And then go with this. Alright, yeah, that's the rocket ship. So let's do this. Save. Boom. Alright. Let's open up a Unity. And now go to Trello. Make a rocket ship sprite. It is done. Let's just add. Let me just do add rocket sprite. Add rocket part sprites. And then add 5 parts. Okay, so we are adding the rocket sprite, adding the rocket part sprites at the same time. So let's delete these. And now we're gonna go to art here. I'm gonna go to pixel art. Drag this stuff in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Put all of those in. And now we're gonna drag in the rocket. Oh yeah, that looks so much better than this. Let's go. Okay, so we need to add the tag rocket. There we go. And then yeah, that's all we need to do. We just need to add a box collider 2D. And it's good. Just edit that a little bit. Boom, that's good. And yeah. So we got the rocket ship there. Let's see, pick up item. And for this, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add in the rocket to here. Yeah. That's what we're gonna do for that. And then we're gonna make a new folder called prefabs. And we're gonna add in the rocket ship, the pickup item, and yeah. So we got the pickup item, and let me just go to Trello here. Add rocket sprite, done. Move this to doing. And now we're just gonna Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Now go here, then go to art. We're actually gonna delete these, you know? We'll delete these. We're gonna do it a different way. Prefabs. Delete this one. And we're just gonna drag in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then for these, we're just gonna select all of them, add the tag part, and then give all of them a box collider 2D. Let's see. Let's move them all. 4, 5. All right. Do they need a trigger? I think they do. I think they all need a trigger. So yeah, now we'll test all of them. Make sure they're working. Yep. They are working. You can pick up all of them separately. And yeah. Then we can like drop them all into the rocket. And boom. There you go. I'm gonna add all of these into there. And done and done. Alright. Well, I think I'm gonna end this one here. So yeah, I'll definitely do another episode of this Devlog 1. And yeah, not sure what we're gonna add, but we're gonna add some good stuff then. And yeah, while I'm just like moving things around right now, let's just do this before I end the stream here. I'm gonna put all of these up here. And there we go. So that's gonna be it for the stream. Oop. I'm falling off my chair, but well, that's gonna be it for the stream. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.